I'm Andrea Wislick, but most of you may know me as the Cooking and Craft Chick. And I'm here to tell you who I am and show you who I am because I'm excited to announce that I have a brand new book called The Wizard's Craftbook coming out on March 17th. This is 50 DIYs inspired by Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts, Merlin, and even your favorite Disney witches and wizards. Skyhorse Publishing reached out to me about a year and a half ago to design and create this book for you, with easy step-by-step guides that witches and wizards of any age would be able to follow. This book is going to be available in all bookstores as well as on Amazon.com, and now I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what you can find inside. So this is my book. This is the Wizard's Craftbook, and this is actually the third installment in Skyhorse Publishing's Wizard book line. So the first book was the Wizard's Cookbook, and next was the Wizard's Dessert Cookbook, and both of those were authored by Aurelia Beaupommier. And then Skyhorse reached out to me to create the third installment for you guys, which is the Wizard's Craftbook. So some of the items that you will find in here are items that I have already featured on my channel, and I wanted there to be an easy way for you guys to access those tutorials and watch me do it along with you, and also for you to be able to access any templates or free labels that may be needed to complete the project. So to do that, I utilized QR codes. So I have in here an instruction of how to scan QR codes, and then I've utilized QR codes throughout the book, so if there is a video of me creating that project or a template or label or anything like that, you will find a QR code that will take you directly to it. So I just want to go over how I did the layout of the book. So the very first page of any craft is going to be the finished piece, what it will look like when it's completed. And then I have an explanation of the item here, and then a photograph of all of the supplies here, as well as the supplies listed out. And then I give you photos that take you step by step through how to complete the project. And then in the body of the text is written out instructions of everything you need to do to get the end piece. And then if there is a video of me doing that project or anything needed for that project, you will find a QR code like this one here. Some of the other projects that we have created for this book are things like Grindelwald's Skull Hookah, and you can see that here on the table. It's really cool at night when it's lit up. A dragon egg from Game of Thrones, as well as how to create troll bogey slime, and even Hocus Pocus's black flame candle. I show you how to create the Narnia White Witch ice wand, and also how to create your very own broom. So this is just a little sneak peek of what you'll find inside and how the book is laid out. And I hope you guys will love this book as much as I love putting it together for you guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek of my book. And like I said, this is going to be available worldwide on March 17th in booksellers everywhere. But you can pre-order it right now on Amazon, and I'll put the link to that in the description down below. If you guys would like more DIYs or crafts from me, you can check me out on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and comments on what you think about this book coming out, so put that down below. And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.